So, what does cloud native mean? Cloud native applications are designed to be highly available and scalable in the cloud for fast provisioning, and scaling is effortless in the cloud. By adopting a cloud native approach, companies can release features quickly without sacrificing availability. Simply hosting an application on the cloud doesn't make it cloud native. So, what makes it then? Number 1, application architecture. Cloud native applications use microservices, which means small and independent services working together. This enables fast scaling of individual components. Traditional monolithic application package everything into a single unit, which means scaling one part requires scaling the entire system. Pillar number 2, containers. Cloud native applications are packaged in containers. Containers are lightweight components and include everything the application needs to run across any environment. I'll be explaining containers in detail on this channel. Pillar number 3, development process. Cloud native applications follow Devops practices. Independent development, scaling, and deployment of microservices require high collaboration between development and operation teams to ensure quick delivery. Overall, cloud native helps to build applications that are fast, scalable, and reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cloud and DevOps. Thank you.